Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. This video we have a look of XRP Ripple coin. A lot of people ask me that please make a video on XRP Ripple coin. What's the next target of XRP Ripple coin? So finally I decided to make a video for my subscriber, for my viewers, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you're new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now, Abby's Tech channel, for more this kind of latest news and update about XRP Ripple coin. First of all, we look the price of the XRP Ripple coin at this time. As you can see here, the price is about 1.4 USD dollar at this time, friends, and the change occur in the XRP Ripple coin as absolutely a good change. 2.2% change occurs in the last 1 hour, 15% change occur in the last 1 day, and 3% change occur in the last 7 days, friends. XRP Ripple coin and Dogecoin have a tough competition at this time, friends. The XRP Ripple coin market rank is about 4 and the Dogecoin rank is about 5. But Dogecoin also move very fastly, friends. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction of the XRP Ripple coin, and also tell me in the comment section XRP Ripple coin versus Dogecoin. Which one cryptocurrency is best for investment? What's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin as best for investment, or Dogecoin best for investment at this time, friends? Also please tell me in the comment section, friends. If you talk about the XRP Ripple coin at this time, the last 1 hour change is in the as 2.18% occur in the last 1 hour. Absolutely a good change, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is about 1.4%, friends. As you can see here, very fastly move upward at this time. That is why my suggestion for XRP Ripple coin holders that please hold it. That will make you millionaire in this April month, friends. Now let's see for more details. Let's check it out. The last 1 day price prediction, what's the change goes and XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 day, friends. Before if you don't subscribe my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel. Don't ignore my words, kindly subscribe and stay connected with the Abby's Tech channel, friends. As you can see here, the last 1 day change is absolutely positive. That is why I love you, because the XRP change is also in positive. 16.28% change occurs in the last 1 day. A good change. I love this change, and they can head to USD dollar soon and this month, friends. They can head to USD dollar and soon and this month. Please tell me if you agree with me that the XRP Ripple coin can head to USD dollar and this April month. So please like this video at this time, friends. And if we look at the currently technical analysis, the price chart of the XRP Ripple coin, as you can see here, they take a high jump. But if we look the price prediction, as you can see here, and now that's a let's check it out, the technical analysis. Let's check it out. As you can see here, that is a support level and that is a resistance level. As you can see here, they continues has travel, and this point, as you can see here, take a jump, and now they continuously goes neutral and again falls down, and now they are again ready for a big jump. So that means that the XRP Ripple coin goes move upward in the future, in the coming soon days. They goes to moon in the future. XRP holders, congratulations to all. That's my suggestion for all of you. If you're a holder, so please hold it. With the last of this month, that will make you millionaire. If you want to buy XRP Ripple coin, so absolutely it's the best opportunity to buy XRP Ripple coin. Please stay connected with the Abby's Tech channel, and don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel.